You probably think you have reached your maximum height, but unless your genetics are truly exceptional, the truth is much harsher. You are not short. You are compressed. Right now, gravity is actively crushing you. Every hour you spend sitting at a desk, looking down at a screen or driving a car, your skeletal structure is collapsing under its own weight. Your intervertebral discs are flattening like deflated tires, and your deep connective tissue, your fascia, is locking that shortened posture in place. You haven't stopped growing. You are simply trapped inside a collapsed structural frame. Today, we are going to fix that. We are applying 3 mechanical body hacks to break this tension, decompress your spine from the ground up, and unlock up to 2 hidden inches of your true vertical height. To gain vertical space, you cannot just reach for the sky. You have to unlock the anchors pulling you into the floor. The heaviest anchors in your body are the muscles in your posterior chain, specifically your hamstrings and glutes. When these muscles are tight from chronic sitting, they act like thick steel cables pulling your pelvis downward. If your pelvis tilts down, your lumbar spine has no choice but to curve and compress just to keep you upright. You lose almost a full inch of height right there in your lower back. We need active mechanical decompression. This is where we apply the first structural reset, the anti-gravity hinge. Stand up right now and place your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your knees slightly unlocked, never entirely straight. Now push your hips as far back as physically possible while reaching your arms straight forward. Your torso should be angled at exactly 45 degrees. Imagine you are turning your body into a tense bow. Do not let your lower back round. Keep it locked and flat. You should immediately feel a massive mechanical pull, starting from your heels, traveling up through your glutes, and physically pulling your lower spine apart. You are not passively stretching. You are actively using the leverage of your own hips to drag your lower vertebrae away from your compressed pelvis. Hold this intense isometric tension and breathe deep into your lower stomach. Feel that space opening up in your lower back. Unlocking your base is entirely useless if the upper half of your structure is still collapsing downward. Think of your ribcage right now. For the vast majority of people, the ribcage acts like a heavy, rigid anvil sitting directly on top of the delicate lumbar spine. When your chest muscles chronically tighten from looking at screens, your mid-back rounds forward, and that heavy thoracic cage physically drops. It sinks down into your abdomen, crushing the spaces between your lower vertebrae and stealing another full inch of your potential height. If you want to stand taller, we have to lift the anvil. We are going to use your own skeletal structure as a mechanical lever to force that space back open. This is the thoracic jack. Stand up and drop into a very shallow, relaxed stance. Keep your knees slightly bent so your lower body is completely stable. Now, take the heels of your hands and press them firmly down onto your upper thighs, right near the crease of your hips. Exhale completely. Blow all the air out of your lungs and hollow your stomach slightly. Now, with your lungs entirely empty, push your upper body weight down into your hands and lock your elbows completely straight. By forcing your arms straight against your legs, your shoulders will naturally rise up toward your ears. Let them. Your locked arms are now acting like a pair of hydraulic jacks, mechanically lifting the entire massive weight of your ribcage up and away from your pelvis. You are completely removing the downward pressure on your lower spine. Hold this intense structural lift for 10 to 15 seconds. You will feel an instant deep vacuum of pressure inside your lower back, as the spinal discs finally have the physical room to expand. When you are compressed all day, your spinal discs dehydrate and flatten out. By creating this mechanical lift, you are allowing those discs to draw fluid back in, physically expanding their height from the inside. Do not use your back muscles to hold yourself up. Let your locked arms do all the heavy lifting. Release the tension, breathe normally, and prepare to lock this new height in place. You have successfully released the heavy anchors of your lower body. You have lifted the crushing weight of your ribcage. You have created physical space between your spinal discs. But if you stop right now, gravity will simply crush you back down to your original height the moment you walk away. Creating space is only half the battle. You must teach your fascial network how to hold that space permanently. We are going to lock in your new structure using extreme axial elongation. Stand perfectly straight on solid ground. Bring your hands together. Interlock your fingers. And push your palms flat up toward the ceiling. Lock your elbows completely straight. Most people stop here, but that is just a stretch. To make this a biomechanical hack, we need extreme bi-directional traction. As your hands push violently upward against the sky, you must actively drive your shoulders and your tailbone downward into the floor. You are turning your spine into a vertical tug-of-war rope, pulling it apart from both ends simultaneously. Now, address the top of the chain. Tuck your chin back slightly, making a subtle double chin. Feel the base of your skull, the occiput, float upward away from your neck. This final adjustment decompresses your cervical vertebrae, instantly adding the last fraction of an inch to your vertical line. Hold this intense bi-directional tension for 30 to 45 seconds. Your muscles will shake and your nervous system will resist. That means it is working. You are physically forcing your deep connective tissue to remodel itself around a taller, elongated skeletal frame. Gravity never takes a day off, so neither can your structure. If you want these 2 inches to become permanent, perform this exact sequence every single morning, the moment you get out of bed, before your spine has a chance to compress. Reclaim your vertical space. Fight back against gravity. If this structural reset helped you unlock your true height today, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below. Keep your structure strong. Stay fluid. Stay zen.